everyone, this is Teacher Larizza, and for today's episode, I got something big for my fellow teachers, students, and for our Mother Earth. As we all know, we are now experiencing big impacts of climate change in our daily activities. But what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. At nakakalungkot man isipin, ay nararanasan na natin ang masasamang epekto nito sa ating lahat. Pero hindi na dapat malungkot ang beshi ko. To help make a change and save our environment, I will be joining the Extraordinary Earth Project of Students Rebuild. This is an organization connecting K-12 students worldwide in an effort to make a difference through art projects. So how can we do it? Well, junk mail art is the answer.
An estimated 100 million trees are cut down each year for the production of junk mail, with almost 130 billion pieces of junk mail sent by the USPS in 2021. And this junk mail produces more than 51 million metric tons of greenhouse gases each year.
We have the power to reverse all of these negative impacts by repurposing those junk mails into varied art materials, like making origamis, mosaic, and other stationery products. With this, we can also help raise awareness about the small ways our kids can all help mitigate climate damage. So here are the basic steps on how you can do it.
Step 1. Ask your students to gather all the junk mail that they have at home. 2. Look for junk mail art that is suitable for your kids and guide them as they do their own artwork material. We can ask our students to collage, draw, or paint pieces of art that depict the ways that climate change affects their local ecosystems and what folks can do to help. 3. Display your artworks. Have your students show their work in class by creating a mini art exhibit and walk them around to appreciate the beauty of their art and turn it into a purposeful day of making a change through creating crafty materials out from junk.
For every artwork you submit, the Bezos Family Foundation will make a $5 donation to organizations tackling environmental issues responding to climate crisis across the world. So dear teachers and students, what are you waiting for? The challenge is open through June 2024. Let's take the step to help our Mother Earth. Head on over to studentsrebuild.org/earth and start your own challenge today.